Hello everyone. So this is Sarabjit Kaur and today we will start our next topic, that is a magic of words. It is a unit 14 and under it there is a topic one word, foreign words and interesting words. So firstly we will discuss about the one word. So in the first part there is some words are given, 10 words are given as a clue and you have to sort out in these boxes. First one is extreme old age, when a man behaves like a child. So which word we can choose from these words which are clues given on your book? That is a dotage. That is a dotage. The second one is that which cannot be corrected. The thing which cannot be corrected, that is a incorrigible. Third one is the study of ancient societies. That is a archaeology. In this way you have to find out the words from the clues and do it yourself on your book. The next one is the answer these by rearranging the letters given in the brackets. The first is a facial expression indicating pleasure. So here is a clue, L-E-M-I-S. So the facial expression that indicates pleasure, we have to make a word from these words. So which indicates pleasure, that word is a S-M-I-L-E. So we have taken all the words from here, that becomes smile. In this way the second one, a plural of measure of length. When we measure the length, then it's plural. We have to make the word from it again, that is a M-I-L-E-S, miles, right? In this way you have to do this one part also again yourself. If there will be any doubt in these two parts, you can ask in the comment section box because the clues are given on your books. The next one topic is the foreign words. Foreign words are given on your books. You have to tell the meanings of those ones by picking the correct option. First is kibbutz. It is a kibbutz. What is the meaning of it? That farming settlements. You can take the help of dictionary also, there is meaning of these words. Next one is masquerade. Masquerade means appear in disguise. That is a masquerade. Next one is intente. Next one is intente, that is a friendly relation with someone. Next one is de jure. De jure, that means by right. The next one is migraine. You are familiar with this one word. It means type of a headache. Next one is 40. That means a strong point. Next one is a perse. That means by itself. Next one is a priori. That means based on theory. Next one is petite. That means dainty. Next one is patois. That means dainty. Next one is patois. That means language. Next, blaze. That means tired of pleasure. Next one is object d'art. That means artistic objects. Last one is spitz. That means a small dog. You have to try to pronounce these words yourself and write the meaning of these words on your books. Next one topic is interesting words. The English language is a forever changing. You know very well that the words, new words are getting and in the English too you have read about the poem, that is a Fence and Flatterer. There the Shakespeare has used many words that those were the ancient, like a die, that means years. In this way the English language is changing day by day. So you have to understand the meaning of those words and try to write it yourself. So first one word is here MON, and you have to add one suffix here. So which suffix you can add, by which we can get new word, that is key. So what we will get, that is a monkey, right? So monkey word we get, so we get this word by adding KEY. So we have to add one more suffix with it, by which we can get new word also again. So here we will add whole suffix, so we will get the word keyhole. So the thing is that you have to add the suffixes. Firstly the word is given for you, you have to add the suffix. After adding which word you have added, by which you have to add one suffix again, and you will get the new one word again. This is a monkey and keyhole. The next one is bro, and on the other side the word is given nick. So bro, beat and beatnik. These are the new words which we have get afterwards. COV word is given and RING. So cover and earring. In this way you have to do these words yourself. The next one topic is Sanskrit words are given and the meaning is given on your book. You just have to match those words with the right ones. So the first one word is Vedas over there. This is a Sanskrit words. These are the Sanskrit words and these are the meanings in the English. So first word is Vedas, which means knowledge. Next one is Samhitas, that means collections. Next one is Tapas, that means heat. Next is Tantra, that means weave. Samriti, recollection. Raga, that is a singing style. Nyaya, justice. Prana, breathe. Guru, teacher. Avatar, incarnation. So these are the words which meaning, these are the Sanskrit words and its meaning is in English. Still if there will be any doubt in any word and in any exercise, you have to ask in the comment section box, and your homework is that solve your exercises. One word that is on the page number 40. Clues are given, part A and B you will do yourself, and on the page number 42 part A you will do yourself. I have given the hints. Still if there will be any doubt, you can ask in the comment section box. Thanks and have a nice day.